阿拉木土。Let's go.
Oops, we finally come to Kazakhstan. This one after this office, then we will visit today. We'll go to his factory. I'm going to fight everyone first. Hi! Alright. Hello! Scott! Okay. This is the client's Esken. In a while, we will go into his factory to visit. What about learning Ash? He mainly makes cabinet furniture, kitchen furniture, and that closet.
Sizin istеген salollaringizni aytib o'tirib Thank you so much for coming from so far away. We should say happy cooperation. Your machine is pretty good too. This is the beginning of our cooperation.
Thank you.
I hope we have a good cooperation in the future.
Okay, thanks. Today, I mainly want to show you what equipment you need to make dining tables and kitchen cabinet. Let's go. What I'm showing you now is an edging machine that makes dining tables. What about this machine? Its function is mainly to do horse belly edge, straight edge and safety edge. It can be completed. So we are now processing. Later, let's take a look at the effect of a processing. Okay, come on guys. Let's take a look at an effect that has been processed. This is the belly of a dining table. Let's take a close-up from the camera. Okay, come to us and you can see that there are two special shaped edging machines. Its main function is to perform a function of grinding corners at the four corners of our dining table. Then let's take a look at a processing effect that the master is operating. We also have a 5+1 5-axis BridgeSaw from HOYUN on site. This BridgeSaw is equipped with two separate washing knives and one of our large saw blades. So its function is very powerful. One, it allows us to do our normal tangent, rounded edge cutting, and our washing holes. There is also copying for us to achieve good copying. Now, one of the features that's going on right now is hole washing. Hey, let's take a close-up of our camera. It has been processed. It was done in less than 15 seconds. So what do we do next? What I'm going to show you is the effect of 45 degrees of cutting. Come on. Well, a pentagon that has just been cut. Let's take a look at one effect of a 45-degree cut. What about this issue? I took you through the equipment required for a slate processing plant, the old iron in front of the screen. If you also want to open a factory like this, welcome to leave a message in the comment area. I will answer them for you one by one.